We are still at Turkish airport here. It's a very big airport, and now we are going towards the terminal. They can catch an airplane to Saudi Arabia. It's a beautiful airport. Enjoy it. Look at that. Look. It is still Turkish airport, and we are going towards gate C. It's a beautiful airport, very, very big, up and down, nice shops. Look at these shops here. Yeah. We have landed in Turkey, and I was looking for the smoking area because the whole airport is not smoking, and they have a few places to smoke. So I come here for the smokers lounge, and you can see everybody who has been traveling here for maybe 7, 8 or 10 hours, and they need a cigarette, so they quickly come in here in this lounge and they smoke. But if you go outside of this area, there's no smoking, and it is all covered, as you can see, with the airplanes are outside. You can't go outside from here because this is immigration controlled area. You see this here, right here? So after smoking, maybe 1 or 2 cigarettes, I can go back in the lounge. We have about 7 hours stay in Istanbul, and then we'll go to Medina. So stay with us, we'll show you everything. Maybe some more places on the airport. On the way back, when we come back from the Umrah, and do the European trip, we'll have 4 days of stay in Istanbul, and then we can go out and make some videos, show you everything. But right now, we only have about 7 hours of stay, and it's a transit, and we are on the way to Saudi Arabia. Smoking area for people in passengers. In Istanbul Airport, a lot of smokers here. Istanbul Airport. We just landed. We have 7-hour stay, and then we go to Medina, Saudi Arabia. Let's give you a little view of the airport lounge. You do them there?
No, I'm just doing this because I'm in. Should we go?
Okay, you can go. All right.
Want to pause it?
Yeah.